Remember how I told you that the editor is like that steak knife that was built to fulfill a specific purpose? Well, that wasn't the entire truth. It's true that most editors have figured out how to do a great job with basic editing, but almost all modern editors can be extended with functionality. In Sublime's case, all of it comes from a healthy community of developers like you that were missing something and built it. And indeed, right now, your Sublime is a generic text editor. It doesn't care about you being a web developer. At the next step, you customize it with the help of James so it becomes a front-end development editor.
Sublime doesn't have a built-in plugin repository, so the first thing we'll need to do is install package control. It's the only time we'll need to manually install a plugin. We'll take this scary-looking block of text from the notes and paste it into Sublime's terminal. And with that, it's fetching the plugin and installing all of the dependencies. Let's test whether it worked. Type Command-Shift-P to bring up Sublime's command palette. This drop-down menu is useful in many ways because it contains all the actions Sublime can do. I generally use it to discover stuff I didn't know about, like this toggle comment action, and to execute actions that don't have shortcuts or have crazy long ones. But right now, type in PAC, and you'll see many new commands associated with package control. The one we really care about is install package, this one right here. This is the list of all the packages in the repository. So now that we're prepared, let's install a few of our favorite plugins. This list of plugins is also in the notes for you to quickly copy and paste. Through package control's install command, please install Emmet, Sidebar Enhancements, Color Picker, and Color Highlighter. Some plugins require restarting the editor, so to make sure, do that after you've installed everything. Emmet dramatically extends and improves Sublime's built-in text snippets. Its craziest feature is the ability to use CSS selectors to create new HTML markup. I know that sounds a bit confusing, but let me tell you what I mean. Let's say I need a list with 4 items in my index.html file. I can do that by typing the CS selector shown here. Then pressing Tab expands the selector into the HTML we specified. Emmet comes with a lot more built-in magic that you should definitely check out in the link in the instructor's notes. The Sidebar Enhancements plugin has a pretty descriptive and spot-on name. It mostly extends the right-click menu of Sublime's usually pretty bare-bones sidebar with all the stuff you would expect, deleting files, new folders, and so on. But also some nifty stuff such as copying content as a data URI. Now these last two, Color Picker and Color Highlighter, work together to make editing and working with colors in CSS much easier. Pressing Command-Shift-C opens the system color picker and allows you to quickly choose a color. And when the cursor is placed in or around an existing color, picking a new one will update it. The highlighter outlines or underlines colors it finds in your CSS with a preview, so you always have an idea what you're looking at.